What's going on, guys? This is Sam again. This is my 2023 CB650r. I just want to show you guys something what I did. I just recently changed my exhaust. I tried this this brand called KO Lightning. As you guys can see right here, it's a Chinese company. And then I just removed my original exhaust and then put this KO Lightning. And I just want to give you guys a little bit of, show you guys how it sounds. Okay, let me turn it on. So it's close to 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. actually. I love this place. Look how beautiful it is. And the planes over there. Anyway, so yeah, this is my 2023 CB650R. And let's see how it sounds. All right. Give a kickstart. Oh, boom and boom. All right, let's see. This is so loud. I don't know if there's neighbors over there because I see one car there. But anyway, yeah, I just want to give you guys a little bit of update about my videos. It's been a long time. I don't even upload. But anyway, I just want to show you guys real quick. And then let me know if you want to see more videos, me working on the bike and stuff like that. All right. Peace.